How to fix Facebook not sending SMS code. In today's video guys, I will show you how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook and scroll down, click on storage. Here on storage, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, then you have to back, click on force stop. And what you should do right now guys, you have to go to permissions, not app timer, wait, sorry, permissions, and here you have to go to phone and you have to allow this. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you another